things like bio nano sensors, which we will inject inside the body so that they can monitor the, all these. Of course, they will program, and they can monitor these bacteria's diseases, right? And then you see, remember, we had these gateways, and near field communication through cell phone, we go to the cyberspace, right? Cyberspace, this part, right? Cyber physical space, right? So physical space is here, cyberspace. All this data will be collected, right? They can be aggregated when they have similar data. We'll process them. And then we have to, of course, consider the security aspects, the privacy issues. And then we will use, I will explain you more, some machine learning algorithms to handle all these collected data. And then you can see, like, CDC is the Central Disease Control here in Atlanta for the entire USA. And, we can help them here, or clinic databases or CDC databases. So that's the closed loop of the Internet of Bio Nano Things concept, right? And so this is the entire project that we had. You can see we have the Trust One physical domain, like this part, right? So we have these bio nano sensors, like hardware design. And then, of course, we have all the interfaces. You will see them. And integration of these different components of these bio nano sensors. And then also look at the physical layer hardware security, right? And then the communication among these hardware devices that we developed, like how do we model, that's more communication theory, right? Infections and drug deliveries, and then how do we realize the near field wireless and power transfer between the bio nano things to the gateway, and then from the gateway to the cell phone, and cell phone to the backbone network here, right? All the communication aspects. And then there's the cyber domain with all these, computer science type research. How do you collect, aggregate data? And then how do you use machine learning or deep learning or any type of learning algorithms to help us to early detect these infections and process them and then take actions, right? And then actions meaning, for example, deliver some antibiotics or drug delivery, or also visualization of the problems. Of course, all the security and privacy are important when we do all of that. And then, these are all the trusts or work packages, as Europeans say. And then here are the experimental validations, testing individual components, then prototyping Panacea in an in vitro and also in vivo. Here is more. How do we collect, aggregate sensing data here? Deep learning for early detection, learning-driven drug delivery. We can have active drug delivery, meaning automated antibiotic and enzyme delivery by implanted or dressing devices, or passive drug delivery, meaning alerted patients or patient takes antibiotics orally by the suggestion of the Panacea automatically, or by the physicians remotely using this Internet of Bio Nano Things platform.